How's it going? Unboxing first impressions of the Tier 1 Echelon Elite. I found out about this company on our Discord server, and my friend Alex had shared it. Got to looking at it because the razor looked interesting. Like I saw it, I was like, whoa, that's cool, that's different. And there's this one that is a 308 casing, and so I was immediately like, wow, that looks cool. I'm gonna check it out because I'm a shave nerd, and came in a black bag. Inside the black bag, I got this box, and it feels like there's something else in there. So full disclosure, did not pay for this. After Alex posted that, I dug around the website. I learned that while this is a brand new razor manufacturer operated by a father and son in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, everything is made in Milwaukee, Wisconsin using all American materials. But what really fascinated me and drew my personal attention to it as a Second Amendment firearm enthusiast is this company. Their original business venture, and it's still, I'll put a link in the description, is Helius Tactical. And what they do is they make platforms and other attachments for the AR, so like muzzles, grips, that kind of thing. They also make this really cool wallet. You're not here to hear about the wallet, but I'll put some pictures on the screen and links in the description to Helius Tactical. That was their company in 2016. And in that same facility, my understanding is they're making these razors. So I reached out to them through their contact form on their website. Something else too that really impressed me was 17.76. So 1776. Almost 18% of all profits goes to this program for veterans and first responders. The owner of the company, the father, is a Navy veteran by the name of Greg. So immediately I'm impressed with the box. This box feels rugged and thick, like you could step on it. It's just that it's got that strong corrugated feel. So inside here should be the Echelon Elite. And then I have the handles here for the 308 and the Echelon razor. So if you look at their website, you'll see 3 different razors listed. There's the Echelon Elite, the Echelon Ranger, which would be this handle, and then the Echelon 308. All 3 have the Echelon head. So there's only the one head that they're manufacturing, but 3 different handles. This is super cool. It looks exactly like a 308 casing, except this is black. And I believe all 4 handles head come in 4 different colors. There's this black, the gunmetal gray, what do they call it? Something red. And then there's the service blue. Caution, contents wickedly sharp. Little O-ring. Put pictures on the screen of what I'm seeing here. The website says it comes with 10 blades, but actually it looks like we have 5 blades, but it looks like we got a pack of Dorcos. So like with all my videos, or all my razor reviews, this will just be a first impression, an unboxing. I'll do an outdoor shave with the razor, and then we'll do this in my razor review series format. So immediately I'm impressed with this packaging. It is in there. You know, if I wiggle it, I can hear the cap, top and bottom kind of wiggle a little bit, but it's in there nice and snug. Immediately I love this blue. So this Echelon Elite, you can do essentially 3 different handle lengths. So you could do like the travel, put this on here like so. You could take that off and put that on there and have like a medium-sized handle, which is what I may end up doing, because the Echelon Elite put together is 5.3 inches overall, a little longer than what I would normally reach for. But at the same time though, you can, like I said, take this down and apart. This, I believe I'll do it off screen because I'll probably fumble with it, but you thread this through and it creates a handle. Let's start looking at the head and kind of get an idea of it. So what's cool, and another one of the things that intrigued me about this, looks like they have a serial number on the top here. is the one side, the guard side, has a 30-degree angle, and the other side is a 38-degree angle. So one of the differences with this versus anything else that I've used on the market is you have two different blade angles on one head. Let's grab a blade over here. I have a used blade. I'm not going to shave with it. Let's just see what it looks like. The aluminum is made from a solid billet, so they're taking a solid piece of aluminum and constructing it down. Oh, that's the I can already feel how clamped that is. The blade tabs are completely covered. I'm super impressed with this. The handle's a little long. I think when I first shave with it, I will put a Dorco in it. When I get a razor and it comes with blades, I always use the blades that it comes with. So I will definitely, for my first shave, use a Dorco. And I will use the long handle, but I can see myself switching down to this. I like that. That's about a 3-inch or something like that. Super cool too. So right now, I didn't pay for this. I'm not going to profit from the sale of it, but they have their 10% off sale going right now. So, and what's cool too is all their razors, the regular price ends in 76 cents. So like the regular price of this Echelon Elite is $87.76. They have their 10% off launch special. That brings it down to $79.98. But then I discovered it popped up on the screen that if for your first purchase, if you sign up for the email, you get an additional 7.76% off. So almost another 8% off. So if you sign up for that, you can get this one for $73.46. The Echelon razor, same head. If you apply both of those codes at 10% off and you sign up for the email, it's $63.62. And then the Echelon 308, which would probably be, if I was buying one, it would probably be this 308 just because it's wicked sick. In fact, let's put this 308 on there. I don't see where they're selling the handles separately, but if you were to apply all the discounts to the Echelon 308, it comes out to $48.36. That's awesome. That's so cool, and it would look even better if it was all the same color. If they're not selling the handles separately, they should, because I know a lot of guys are going to want all three handles. Like what I have here, this Ranger handle is big, beefy handle. It's still kind of light. The Elite fully put together is 57 grams. The Echelon Ranger fully assembled is 65 grams, and the 308 fully assembled is 3.8 inches and 38 grams. So, you got the three different lengths, the three different weights. There's a nice thick handle. When I do my razor review, we'll focus mostly on the Elite, but I'll put the measurements for everything up there on the screen. I want to thank Greg and Alex at Tier 1 for sending this out to me for review. I'll use this a minimum of 10 to 20 times until I get comfortable with it, to the point that I feel like my opinion of it won't change. I don't like to do that first impression type review, because the more I use something, the more comfortable I get with it. And I think there is going to be a learning curve with this, of me finding the sweet spot, especially with two different blade angles. I love that idea that they've gone with. I love that it's made with every component is made here in the States. Give me just a second. I'm going to pause it. I'll thread this through just so I'm not being clumsy. Okay, so I threaded it through, right? You see there? And then what we should have to just do is loop one end to itself, like so, and pull. And then now, if you wanted to, you could hang it. How functional it is, that's going to depend on your use and how you use it. If I'm not hanging it too often, I can see it getting in the way of my finger down there. But it's a kind of, if you're not using it, it's gimmicky. But if you are using it, it's super handy. So I'll play with it, see how I like it, and that kind of thing, and do an outdoor shave with it. Do a razor review of it once I get comfortable with it. I ramble a lot, don't I? Kind of a squirrel lord? Yeah, okay. Well, here in a little bit, we'll be doing a live, so you'll get to see me squirm live on video. And I lost the head already. Hello, how you doing? Here it is. Good golly. Thanks again, Greg and Alex, for sending this out to me for reviews. Get this fully assembled one more time with the little loop on it. Didn't pay for it. Not going to profit from the sale of it. Don't have a discount code or link or anything like that yet, but you know what? You can get up to 18% off the regular price with that 10% launch special, which is already factored in. You don't have to do anything to get that 10% off. It's already factored in on the website. And then when that thing pops up on the screen, to sign up for the email, sign up for it, and that's how you get the other 7.76% off. Super cool. This company has my attention, we'll put it that way, because I think that they're just doing a lot of things right, and I love that they have been manufacturing materials similar to this for 10 years now with Helius Tactical. Check out that website, especially if you own an AR. Do you own an AR? Have you bought anything from Helius? I don't know anything, I don't own any of their products, so we'll leave it at that. Take care. We're at 11 minutes. Thanks again. I'll see you in the next one.